Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to cancel your Burlington credit card in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new card, cutting back on spending, or just simplifying your finances, canceling a credit card can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first, before you cancel, make sure you understand your card's terms. Log into your Burlington credit card account online or via their app. Check for any outstanding balances, pending transactions, or rewards that might expire. If you have a balance, you'll need to pay it off completely to avoid fees or negative impacts on your credit score. This is crucial because unpaid balances could lead to collections down the line. Once you're all set, the next step is to contact Burlington's customer service. You can call the number on the back of your card or visit their website for the latest contact info. When you reach an agent, clearly state that you want to cancel your card. Be prepared to provide your account details, like your card number and personal information, for verification. They might ask why you're canceling, but you don't have to share if you don't want to. Just keep it polite. After confirming the cancellation, ask for written confirmation. This could be an email or letter to protect yourself from any future charges. Also, double-check that automatic payments linked to the card are updated or canceled to prevent surprises. A few quick tips for 2025. With potential updates to financial regulations, always verify the process on Burlington's official site, as methods might change. If you're worried about your credit, remember that closing a card could affect your credit utilization ratio, so consider keeping it open if possible. And hey, if you're canceling because of high interest rates, think about exploring other options first. There you have it. That's how to cancel your Burlington credit card smoothly. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.